Anna Fernandez here. We're back to give you some more information on narcissist and family law cases. For those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, my name is Anna Fernandez, and this month we're dedicating it to mental health, and we're producing content based on your suggestions and on questions that you've had. So here we go. Today we're going to talk about the stages of being in a relationship with someone who is either a narcissist or has a narcissistic personality tendency or disorder. So if you suspect that you're in a relationship with a narcissist, take some time to sit back and reflect on how your relationship started and where it is now. There's typically 4 stages of a narcissistic relationship, and understanding each stage can help you identify if you are in one, and it could also help you for an exit strategy to get out of one. So let's start with the first stage, is idealization. Now, this is a stage where you first enter the relationship, and it's also known as the love bomb. They love bomb you. This is when the narcissistic person, they immediately start adoring and complimenting you. Like, this is like Prince Charming that you had no idea that this really existed outside of a Disney movie. Like, this is a person that is just showering you with gifts, with praises, or whatever it is that you like complimenting you, just adoring you, putting you on this pedestal, and just showing you a lot of love and affection, and it makes you feel like you're both 100% in sync and meant to be. They idolize you with the intent to manipulate you. So that's really what the takeaway from this is, that even though you may feel like if this person is being sincere, they're doing this with the intent to manipulate you in the future. So just to know that, and all these things, they're not real. So compliments and the way that they're making you feel, it's with the intent to manipulate you in the future. So try to take that in, let it sink in, and let's go to stage 2. Now, stage 2 is the devaluation. We have the love bombing, and then this is their time where they're devaluing you. So this is when the narcissist will isolate you from your friends and your family to try to get rid of your support system, to make it easier for them to devalue you, and they begin to exert dominance over you by shaming, blaming, accusing, threatening, making you feel some sort of guilt in an attempt to lower your self-esteem. And now the narcissist will even show fits of rage to shock you into compliance. So you may not realize any of this as manipulation, but that's exactly what it is. It's happening because the narcissistic person will sprinkle in some love bombing occasionally, but for the most part, this just leaves you feeling confused, like, what's going on? This person loves me, but then it's like, they're devaluing, making you feel guilty. It's all your fault, blaming, shaming, and it's all part of their manipulation plan. And you, as a person who has emotions and truly does have feelings for this narcissist, will try to do whatever you can to fix the relationship, to try to get it back to that stage, that fake stage of the love bombing. And that's just, tune in and remember that this is all a manipulation game. So as much as they tell you that their feelings are real, they're not. So the third stage is the stage where they pretty much discard you. So this is the part of the relationship when the narcissist decides to discard or get rid of you without any notice. Now, when the narcissist no longer finds use in you, then they will not only dump you, but they will make you feel like you did something wrong, or that you're crazy, or that it's your fault. And they'll often get in a new relationship very, very quickly with like a quote-unquote upgraded version of you. And on the other hand, if you get out of a relationship before this stage, the narcissist has lost control and will then make you the enemy. So that's also very important to remember. Now I see this in a lot of divorce cases because the narcissist has lost power and control over you. They will obsessively do anything they can to destroy your life. And if you have children together, the narcissistic will have no problem using the kids against you. So that's also thì unfortunate. And if any of these stages, if any of them seem familiar to you, then you should think about it and speak with a professional, because chances are you are married to a narcissist, and there has to be a thought out exit strategy, exit plan to get out of this, and build your support system and a legal strategy so that way you can come out stronger on the other side and getting rid of these toxic relationships. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please let us know. We're here to help you, we're here to serve you, and we're here to develop content to help better serve our community. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as I said, we will be producing more videos like this one. So let us know what you think. Thanks.